saw in my video, I pretty much was not planning to keep this because I found out it was so small. But it actually works really well, and I like the size. It's tiny, it's small. It's easy to put here on the corner of the countertop. And I really have enjoyed using it. Yes, this is small, but it's small enough for one serving for me. And what's nice is that I can heat something up, pretty much take it from, like right now, yes, it's unhealthy. I'm eating some nuggets from McDonald's, and I'm just gonna have a couple. And to heat them up in the microwave, what happens with the nuggets is they start to taste a little bit soggy. So I use the microwave a lot, but you know, this is a much better alternative, I think. So I had this, I took it out of the box. I said I was gonna give it away as a gift. I said, let me try it out one day, just to see, you know, if it's easy to use and convenient. And it is very convenient. I pretty much come, drop the food in here, and then take the food out and just drop it in my plate, and I'm done. I heat it up usually between 4 to 8 minutes at about 350, 370. Right now I'm heating them up for 4 minutes. And it just does a great job on heating everything up equally. From the bottom of the food, where the bottom of the plate, to the middle, to the top. Everything heats up really well. I think it has something to do with the actual, what do you call that, non-stick surface, Teflon material that allows it to heat up and get nice and warm. And that's what's nice too with the Teflon material. There's not much cleaning. It's very simple. Pretty much I'm heating up my food. Once I put it, I'm going to put it back because I don't want to dirty a plate, back in the box it came in. And what it allows me to do is pretty much wipe it down. I take a sponge with some soap, wipe it down, rinse it off, dry it, and put it back. And it 2 seconds, because the material the food doesn't stick. The food doesn't get nasty. The food doesn't get, you know, stuck to the actual bowl itself. It just has been very convenient. I like it, and this is just my updated version of the video from the unboxing. It's a keeper. I'm keeping it. I even like this size. I'm gonna say I do like this size. You can look up this air fryer, and you can get my unboxing where I show you more details about it and some info at the end. And this is just an update. It cooks really well. Everything's nice and warm. My hands are clean. Yep, and it's crispy. Very crispy. That's it. Just drop everything off. Nothing really sticks. So it took about, 40 seconds to clean and dry the serving. I don't know what you would even call this. Whatever this is called. Very convenient. The size is nice. I thought it was going to be too small. One serving size. Just more than enough food for me to eat on one serving. Very easy to heat something up, drop it. I've been using it with the kids. I'm very happy with it, and I didn't think I was going to be, but I like the convenience of just dropping it in there, heating it up, and then just dropping it on my plate. And then it's so easy to clean that it's not a hassle at all. I really like these air fryers. It's nice. And again, like the size. Pretty nice. All right. I'll leave a link below with the video on the unboxing where I look at it in more detail. I don't speak much about it. I'm not an expert. Regular guy. Just buy things, tries them out, and see how they work and see if I like them. But I'll leave a link below and some of the video of unboxing this and all that. So I hope you liked the video, and the nuggets came out great. They taste awesome. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.